Dozens of Russian soldiers killed during sudden attack of Ukraine at awards ceremony. More than 24 Russian soldiers were killed during an awards ceremony after a surprise attack in eastern Ukraine over the weekend. On the day of the Russian missile and artillery forces, Ukrainian troops shelled a large cluster of Russian soldiers from the 810th Marine Brigade in Kherson region. This was informed by a serviceman of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, the founder of the unit Magyar's Birds, Robert Brovdy Magyar. According to Magyar, the attack was carried out on November the 19th in the Kherson region on the day of the Russian missile forces and artillery during the award ceremony. At the same time, the Russians carefully hid this place because it was on the edge of the forest and disguised. According to a post to Telegram by Nexta, a pro-Ukrainian news outlet based in Eastern Europe, at least 25 Russian soldiers attending the ceremony were killed and another several dozen were injured. Ukrainian military commander Colonel Robert Brovdy also confirmed in a post to Telegram that the attack against the Russian brigade had killed members of the command staff. He said that the strike was revenge for members of the Ukrainian 128th Separate Mountain Infantry Brigade who were killed during a ceremony in the southern Zaporizhia region after a Russian missile attack earlier this month. Retaliation, boomerang. 2 weeks after the attack on the 128th. 810th, you feel the pain. We know it. For our guys. For the Transcarpathian Separate Mountain Assault Brigade. Follow the obituaries closely, especially those from the occupied Crimea media and around the main Burdenko hospital, Robert Brovdy said. Further reports of an attack near Starobeshev were also confirmed by the theatre where the awards ceremony took place, which said in a post to the Russian social media platform VK that Polina Menshik, a dancer, died during a performance in the Donbas region due to shelling in the area.